Hi everyone. Well, today we are going to talk about Mars, this planet. Mars. Mars. When first I look this is the first I imagine is the films, right? The movies. When we talk about Mars, I always relate this about movies. I don't know why, but I think it's because I saw lots of movies about this planet. I don't know if you know these films, these movies. Maybe you know. I will show you some things very fast. As well, for me, it was impossible to show you the trailers because of the copyrights. So I'll show you some interesting movies I suggest you to see about this planet, Mars. Yes, I like this film. It's very nice. How to survive in the planet, right? Of course, there are others that shows some challenges to follow, right? Yes, I saw this also. It's very interesting. There are others as well, right? But they they show some adventure stories, right? Okay, but today we are going to focus on this planet because our activity is about this planet, Mars. Good. So please, I will allow you to go on page 92 in your books. Open the books on page 92. Project Mars. Read, please, in your books. Read, please. One, read the ad and complete the information. Read the ad and complete the information. I will read this text, okay? So I complete here in the white part. It says Mars. Mars is the closest planet to Earth and it's possible to see in the night sky with a naked eye. People knew of its existence in ancient times. The planet is named Mars after the Roman god of war. It has two moons. Phobos and Deimos. Good. Next, the red planet. A day on Mars is almost the same as on Earth, 24 hours and 37 minutes. Its year is much longer, 687 Earth days. Mars is about 235 million kilometers from Earth. It takes 9 months to travel there. Mission to Mars. Look at your books. This image is only for reference. Mission to Mars. We want to start a colony on the planet Mars. The journey is 9 months on a spacecraft with 3 other people. After you arrive on Mars, you live there for a year. Don't miss the opportunity. Apply for the program now. Complete, please, the information about this planet. Look at the pictures. We have the red planet, as we saw. We have an astronaut. We have a spacecraft. Name it after. Number of moons. Length of day. Duración del día. Length of year. Duración del año. Distance from Earth. Time needed to arrive there. Tiempo que necesita para arribar allá. Time needed to arrive there. Todas esas referencias están en el texto. Okay. Named after, it's probably the planet Mars after the Roman god. of war. Number of moons, 2, right? Phobos and Deimos. Length of day, ahí tienen la duración del día, la duración del año en la parte 2. La distancia también en la parte 2. Y el tiempo que se necesita para llegar allí. Please take that notes before we listen the listening part. The listening part is related about the objects that we can carry in case we go to a missions to Mars. These things, these items are in page 93. In page 93, we have some things that we can carry in case one day we travel to Mars, in case we travel to space. What will you take on your 9-month mission to Mars? A first aid kit, video games, a soccer ball, cans of soda maybe, fruit, a calendar. Listen and label the object on the page. Okay, listen and name the object on the page.
1. Soccer ball. 2. Laptop. 3. Hamburgers.
Hamburgers.
4. First aid kit. 5. Calendar. 6. Playing cards. 7. Handheld game. 8. Sewing kit. 9. CDs. 10. Books. 11. Cans of soda. 12. Fruit. 13. Barbells. 14. Stationary bike.
Okay. Next, we have working groups. Follow the instructions. Mark, look at your book, please. Look at your book. Sorry. Working groups is not possible now, right? So please work individual. Follow the instructions. Mark the 6 most important items to take on your trip to Mars. Imagine that you are in an important mission to Mars, an important trip to Mars. What items do you take on your trip to Mars? Next, think of an advantage and a disadvantage of taking each object. For example, a laptop. Yes, I would like to carry a laptop in my trip to Mars. But what is the advantage? Yes, I will organize my project. I will organize my reports, right? And what's the disadvantage of taking a laptop? Yes, maybe we don't have internet, right? We don't have internet service, so it's not useful as well, right? Next, prepare a poster with your 6 choices. Deben preparar en una hoja. Esto lo van a hacer en el archivador, por favor. En una hoja sobre sus 6 elecciones. Y hay que compartirlas, por favor. Ustedes muestran lo que ustedes llevarían a Marte con sus ventajas y desventajas de cada uno. So this number 3 is individual. It's not in groups. because we are not in a common class. We are in a virtual class, so we work in our house, right? Alone. So, number 3, we work in our file, en nuestro archivador. Please, we do this number 3. Next, we have number 4, and listen to an expert choose 6 items. Did you choose the same objects? So please, we are going to listen and you take your own conclusions.
I'm Stacy, and I'm an astronaut. Here are my suggestions for the trip to Mars. Don't take the hamburgers. You need a freezer, and you can't cook in space. A soccer ball. That's fun. So yes. It's fun playing ball in zero gravity. Soda cans, no. They explode in space, and they can be dangerous. First aid kit, yes. That's useful in an emergency. A handheld game is not a good idea. It needs lots of batteries. Books, yes, take them. You have lots of time to read in space. A sewing kit, no. You use special clothes in space. A laptop, no, because there is no internet in space. The exercise bike, yes. This is perfect for exercise on the spacecraft. Music CDs. Yes, but choose music that everyone likes. Fresh fruit is only good for 2 or 3 days, so no. A calendar, no. Why? The years are different on Mars. Playing cards are a very good idea. There are hundreds of fun games to play. Barbells? No. It looks like a good idea, but they weigh nothing in space.
Okay, that's all for today, students. So I will let you know after classes, when I'm going to send you a link so we can consolidate these activities, okay? So that's all for today. Goodbye.